welcome back. So today I decided to do something interesting to me, and I think that this may be a great experiment for those of you who have some kind of beginner guitar sitting around, or some kind of guitar that someone gave you that's probably really inexpensive, let's say. And it may be a decent starter guitar. It could be a lot of anything. This guitar was given to me by somebody who got it from someone else who didn't want it. And it's in pretty rough condition in a lot of ways, and it's clearly dusty. And actually, when I got it, somebody had taken, this saddle is totally jacked in the wrong direction, but somebody had taken the string and looped it around this little saddle piece and strung it through the button end of the string, the electric guitar string, instead of stringing it through the bass in the back of the body. So they looped it around the saddle and strung it, and it only had 3 strings on it. So there's a tip for you. But what I plan to do is dismantle this thing and see what I'm working with, and then do a complete refinish on it, and as well as see what kind of condition some of this stuff is in, see if these pickups are worth using. I don't know if you can tell, but I don't even know what brand this headstock is. SPEC something. Doesn't sound, it's not a Schecter, it's not a, I don't even know what this brand was. But, as they say about home remodels, the bones of the guitar actually look decent. The neck and the body look usable. So why not experiment on it? So I'm going to take this thing apart. And right now my plan for it is, when I strip all this off, I think I will unseat the neck. Maybe I'll get a tip as to, who made this thing. I have an extra bridge sitting around, strap bridge from another project that is a little bit nicer than this bridge. It's not amazing, but it's nicer than this one. This one's a little bit chintzy. But I'm going to sand this down, and I want to see if this flamed looking, whatever it is actually flamed. This is definitely a poly finish. You can tell by the way it scuffs and scratches. And see what we really got under there. See if there's just a top on another piece. That's how many pieces, whatever. I don't even know, but we'll find out.
there's the new bridge. Looking jolly good. Nicer saddles on this one, and it's not rusted out.
Alright, so here we have the satin black finished body, which is like that kind of cool matte black. I like this way more than the cheap paint job they had on before, where you took the pick guard off and they had a really super thin like paper veneer of flamed maple that covered like this much. And they took the pick guard off, and everything else didn't have it under the pick guard. Cheap factory-made guitars in China or wherever they're made, they're not going to go into any, high-quality standards. But this body is totally usable. I'm pretty sure it is basswood, however you like to say it. But what's cool is now we have a really styling body. And since I didn't totally sand it all the way down, we still have some of the durability of that poly finish that they put on there, but I obviously smoothed it out. So we have a cool matte black finish over that. So now I'm going to get into some reassembly and let you know the couple little bits of parts that I had laying around that I'm going to fix it up with. And maybe after that I'll get into the neck. But for now, I'm really happy with how this paint job turned out. So I'm going to start putting this back together.